Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I wanted to do like a eye chart following a pictorial or following a pictorial type of a video. A while back I saw Shantae did one. I will link it down below. So I wanted to try one because I've never actually followed like a makeup tutorial or a pictorial like step by step. Also, if you know anything about me, I'm very indecisive. I'm a liker of everything. I'm a liker of things and I cannot pick the things that I like. So what I did was I put the two pictures that I was interested in up on my Instagram, and I put a poll to see whichever one the people wanted. So if you're interested in seeing which look won and which look I'm going to recreate, please keep on watching. These are the two looks that I put up on my Instagram. The one has it's like sunset type vibes with like blue, like a blue halo eye, and then the other one was a lot of warm tones, which low-key I wanted this one, and with some yellow and some glitter, so that's the one. And drum roll please. I'm so extra. So this is the one that won, and this is the one I'm gonna recreate today. I liked it. I really like warm tones. I actually low-key wanted it to win, so I'm glad that it won. And yeah, so let's get started. The way I'm so dedicated to get this look right, I literally have the Wild Rosé palette, Makeup Revolution palette, a Morphe palette, a Switch Beauty palette, and a Beauty Treats palette, just to get it right. Okay, so the first one says blend orange in crease and outer corner, but that doesn't look like orange. It looks like a peachy yellowy orange. I don't know if that makes sense. So in this Beauty Treats 88 professional palette, I'm going to be taking this shade as that orange shade. Okay, so that's blended onto the next one. Then it says blend a burnt orange into the crease / outer corner and then a brown. But she does not say which type of brown. Okay, so for the burnt orange shade, I'm going into the Wet n Wild Rosé in Air palette. I'm going to be using that color. It's like these tones are so pretty. They're very me. There's a lot of these pictorials like under the hashtag pictorial, and I think it's really nice because it can kind of help you if you're not sure like what shades to like blend together. It kind of gives you a good step-by-step of like what shades to use and so forth. I should have baked under my eyes. I think, wait, let me just go do that quickly. Okay, so I'm back. For the brown shade, I think I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Flawless 4 palette, and then I'm going to use this shade here. She doesn't really say what type of a brown is it. She doesn't say if it's like a cool tone brown or is it like a medium brown that she packs on. I don't really know. So I'm just going to use this dark brown and then just pack it on until it like looks something like that. I'm done. So the next one says how to cut a crease, and I've kind of seen this like it's like a hack or like a trick to cutting your crease where you'd put concealer on the bottom here and then you look up. I don't know, it just doesn't work for my eye. I don't like the way it looks on my eye, so I'm just gonna cut the crease the way I generally would. Okay, so the crease is cut. I kind of messed up this eye a little bit, but I will try and save it. On to the next slide. So it says pack a yellow on the lid, blend brown and orange on the outer edge. Wow. Range, edge. Oh, okay, Nadia. Anyway, moving on. The yellow I'm gonna take from the Morphe. This is the 35U palette. And then my lid is broken, but that's the yellow I'm gonna take. Then for the brown and the orange, I'm going to use the brown from the Makeup Revolution palette and then the orange from the Wet n Wild palette. Okay, so I think it's actually coming together slowly. We'll see at the end. So the next one says apply glitter liner and smoke out the lower lash, highlight the inner corner and apply yellow liner to the waterline. This is a lot of instructions. So I'm just going to take the burnt orange and the dark brown just to smoke out my lower lash line. Okay, now I'm gonna add the glitter. So I have this gold like loose glitter that I got from Discam. I think it was like 10 rand, but I don't have a glue for the glitter. So I'm gonna use this side just for the glue and for the little brush. Okay, so next I'm going to add the inner corner highlight, and then I'm going to be adding the yellow shadow to my lash line because I don't have a yellow eye pencil. Okay, so for the final slide it says pop on a lash and you're all set. So while I'm waiting for my lashes to dry, I'm just gonna put all this away. Just gonna go finish up my makeup and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the final look. I feel like it looks like it kind of sort of almost, yeah, it took me quite a while to actually record this because I was concentrating that much. I really like the glitter. I think it looks pretty. I would actually wear this, I would wear it out, but like not just like on any given day, you know. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you think that it looks somewhat like the original, also hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.